keep. He drinks our water. Good morning. Your strawberry and blueberries. And your broth. I'm talking to mommy and daddy. You never talk to mommy. Be nice to mommy lang ga. Because mommy is mama's mama's mama. Not only that, you really have to be nice to everybody. But Ate Hayat is at school now. How many pancakes do you want? One? Two lang. Sige, two. 5 ba po eh? That's too much. Because you have to eat fruits later at school. Huh? Kuan lang. Handa. Sa magkain na ng piling magkain. Let's just put strawberry na lang in your over your pancake. And be fine, okay? Okay. Stukjes maken? She requested for pancakes again, marami. Hey, only Mama is making video of herself, not you. Okay, sorry Scott. Good morning guys, welcome na naman po sa panibagong video. Very first day of school ni Ana sa school year 2024-2025. And yeah, medyo struggle kanina kasi ayaw niya talaga. Ayaw niyang pumasok. I think normal naman yan, no? Kasi mahabang bakasyon ba? Yes, love? Naturally, Cor. I always pick you up from school, love. Mama always picks you up from school. I know, Pangga. Mama will also miss you lang. But kids your age have to be in school. So you can play with other kids. You learn something new. Because if you stay home alone and Mama and Papa are working, hala, what will you do here? You cannot make your own food. You just play all day. You will be tired. Yeah? It's nice at school lang. You learn many things. You draw with other kids again. You cut shapes again. And you also learn the alphabet ba? Numbers that we learned at home. And then you have stories there. You play there. Oh.
Ja, maar ik kan toch zelf maar met de Nutella in een boterham zelf smeren, toch?
Yeah. You can already do that, huh? Because you're a big girl. But Nutella is not good for your teeth. Your dentist said. You know that, right? On vacation, it's fine lang. Every once in a while you can, but not every day. Right? Oh. It's okay, Langga. Tomorrow you will be excited to go to school again, just like before. You just try it today. Huh? You just try today how it goes. And then you tell Mama and Papa. Ayaw niya talaga. Huh? You it's not really not allowed to use the phone at school. Even at your age, you're not allowed to use telephone. You never have telephone.
Yeah, good for me.
Yeah. Oh, sige na.
I would have to finish me that.
Yeah, it's annoying, no? There's a fly again, no? Oh, good, kalagot na yung langaway. You have to open the door so it goes out. Balikan ko na lang po kayo. I-ready ko po muna yung mga gamit niya, yung mga baon niya. Ayaw niya talagang mag-school today. So, good luck yung nanay. Wala pang panghimuta. Panghilamos. Ano pa kasi ngayon? 6:30 pa. So, ang aga-aga namin. Gusto kong masanay siya. Ilang beses na pumunta sa kwarto namin. 3 beses. Sabi ko, maghintay ka kay mama sa kwarto mo. Pabalik-balik siya talaga, guys. Ang aga niyang gumising. Sure ko ako mapapagod. Maging irritable ito mamaya. Ayan, naghintay siya. Sabi ni Ruth, kanina pa naghihintay sa'yo doon sa kwarto niya. Nagbihis siya ng kanya lang. Grabe. Pero nung sinabi ko na alam mo naman na school ka ngayon, iyak na siya. So guys, mag-ready na po muna kami, no? Balikan ko po kayo mamaya pag ready na siya. It's not heavy, Pangda. You try it, babe.
Okay.
Try it. Is it heavy?
No?
Okay. So, but when you're done with school, your water bottle is not heavy anymore. And also your lunchbox will be empty. Okay, so it won't be too heavy. Just put on your arms, ha? Mama will do your face. Parang smear lang. Ano ba? It's nice to be back to school, so you will play with your friends, play with Noah, and sing songs, draw nice things.
Mama, Mama, ikaw magpapa na sing.
Yeah? Maybe today we will see Noah and Papa and then Mama and then Papa, okay?
Oh, that's too loud.
Alis na tayo. Ito na yung ating schoolgirl. Oh. Let's go na, Pangga. Dali na. First day of school ni Ana. And kami, ready na din kami. Sama kami. Normally, si Ruth ang naghatid. Pero sama ako today.
Boom, bing, boom, bing, boom, bing, boom, bing, boom, bing, boom.
Ayan, dami ng mga bata.
Hallo.
Ik weet wie het daar zag.
Weet het niet.
Ik weet wel.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, bahay na po tayo. Struggle. Saan na ba yung tripod ko? Struggle po kanina. Nung dumating kami, andun lahat yung parents kasi parang may program sila ba, yung pag-welcome sa mga bata ulit. Yun. Pero si Ana kasi very first day niya and then iba na naman yung iba na yung teachers niya. Ayun, nanibago siya ba, nahiya talaga siya. Although yung ibang bata doon kilalanan niya kasi classmate na sila dati pa. Yun, yung kapitbahay namin dito, yung anak nila, classmate pala din ni Ana. Yun guys, umiiyak si Ana. Ayaw niya talagang magpaiwan doon. Tapos sinamahan ko na lang talaga siya hanggang doon sa room niya, sa bago niyang classroom. Yun, and may bagong assignment siya kasi dati, kasi may sila gym clothes sila. Iniiwan lang yung gym clothes nila doon para silang may doon, may puyo-puyo, yung tawag sa amin, yung may bag sila doon. And then kung saan yung naka-assign na picture or icon mo, doon ka lang maglalagay ng ng jacket mo, ng bag mo, doon mo iiwan. So, iba na yung sa kanya balloon. Now, yung tawag doon? Moot ba yung tawag nun? Yun. Kailangan niyang tandaan yun. Tutuhanan na talaga to. Grade na talaga siya. Group 1 na talaga yung anak ko. Tapos sa Mondays, balik na naman tayo sa Mondays na na free ako sa morning. Pero tonight, punta po ako sa school kasi balik na naman tayo sa natin sa school, sa part-time natin sa school kasi tapos na din ang bakasyon, no? Siya nga pala, I hope okay kayong lahat. Hindi po ako nag-vlog sa weekend. Nag-enjoy lang po talaga kami. Saturday, pumunta ako sa school to check kung ano pang kailangan gawin doon. Parang minor cleaning lang, yung dusting, ganun. And then yung hallway, kasi sometimes yung teachers pumupunta doon. So, I checked kung, nag-double check ako kung okay ba. So, okay naman. Tinulungan din ako ni Ruth doon. Tapos, nagpunta kami sa market to get chicken, and then nag-relax lang po kami dito sa bahay. Nakapag-relax po talaga kami kahapon. Tapos when we got home, we just took a rest. Anna was really tired after swimming. So yun lang, natulog siya, naglaro. Kami din ni Ruth, nag-relax lang kami, nag-usap, ganun. So it was a really chill weekend. So ngayon, ayun na, balik na sa normal yung schedule namin. Balik trabaho na din si Ruth today, ako bukas. While wala dito si Anna guys, marami po akong gagawin. Maglalaba. Maglalaba tayo, marami akong labahin doon. Si Ruth na kahapon na malansya. Tapos na din siya. Nagtupi na siya kahapon. So ilagay ko na lang sa closet. And yung lalabhan ko, yung Mondays tsaka Fridays talaga naglalaba ako. So we will do that. And then after that, mag-aaral po ako, mag-homework ako kasi sa Wednesday wala akong time mag-homework. So today ko na lang gagawin while wala dito si Anna. So balikan ko na lang po kayo mamaya.
Hans kent Utrecht heel goed. Hij woont er al 25 jaar. Het is mooi weer vandaag. De zon schijnt al de hele dag. We hebben een groot probleem, maar ik heb geen idee hoe we het moeten oplossen. We hebben een groot probleem, maar ik heb geen idee hoe we het moeten oplossen. We hebben een groot probleem, maar ik heb geen idee hoe we het moeten oplossen.
Gisteren heeft hij zijn er nog koekjes in de kast. Ik heb mijn hele leven in Rotterdam gewoond. De zin langzaam. Zeg daarna de zin snel. Hoor je men? Ik heb pijn in mijn... Ik heb pijn in mijn Ik heb pijn in mijn linker men. Ik heb pijn in mijn linkerarm. Ja. Hoor je I? Jan heeft mij niet voor zijn feestje uitgenodigd, maar jou heeft hij wel gevraagd. Ja. We waren gisteren naar het museum, maar er was bijna niemand. Maar er was bijna iemand. Ja. I didn't know. Oh yeah. Right. Dami ko pang homework guys. Oh yan. Yan lahat. 8. And then, yan lahat. Nagawin ko pa yan lahat. Break na muna tayo sa pag-aaral guys. And mag-prepare muna tayo ng lunch ni Mr. Ang ano ko putla. So, 13 na po dito. Ta naman yung dangas na to diha. Lang tayo ng egg for Mr. Simple na lang to yung ano niya. Yung lunch niya since nag-try na mag magbawas ng timbang. Bilis lang ng oras, uy. Bilis lang talaga ng oras. Pag Mondays na nasa school si Ana, ang bilis. Konting ano ko lang, gagawin na gawa sa bahay. Tapos, lunch na. Mag-prepare na ng lunch ni Mister. Tapos, ano na. Mag-lunch na si Madam. Anong maliit. Bigyan natin ng avocado si Mister. May adobo pala ako dito. Leftover kagabi kasi nag-adobo ako. Yan yung ipapakain ko kay Ruth din for dinner tonight. Tinatakpan ko na po pag nagpa-fry ako ng egg para mabilis siyang maluto. And then after a bit, after an hour, ano ko na, punta na ako ulit sa school ni Ana, i-pick up natin and kumustahin natin yung ating estudyante. For sure guys, I hope not, but I already have a feeling magiging irritable po yun. Ruth is not a big fan of avocado pero tinatry niya.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Hoe is het?
Goed.
Anna was...
En ciao?
Goed.
Was it busy?
Wow, that's okay.
Anna was crying doon.
I think more kids that know.
Yeah, and there are other kids that she doesn't
No.
know yet. This is really sweet, the strawberry.
Oh, good.
But they are going bad.
Yeah, they were going better in the morning.
Yeah. Two eggs doon.
Ja, dankjewel.
I was texting with Diana.
Ja, en?
Um,
Zendt je boodschappenlijst toe?
Huh?
Zendt je boodschappenlijst toe?
Nee, not Diana. Diana ba
Oh, Diana van het Tramhuis.
the Tramhouse. Na na yung lunch ni Ruth, guys.
Dankjewel.
And dahil may pagkain na si Mister, mag-relax po tayo ng konti kasi pipick upin ko na si Ana. Actually, hindi lang mag-relax. Mag-edit ako. Tapos at 2 o'clock, pick upin natin si Ana. And then spend time with her. And then prepare ng dinner mamaya. Tapos magtrabaho na din ako. Busy yung ating Monday. Chill muna tayo, guys. No? Hi guys, babalik na po ako sa school ni Ana. Hindi ko na malayan yung oras. 1 minute na lang, 2 o'clock na. Pero medyo matagal silang lumalabas. Lalo na ngayon first day. Pero bukas, kailangan mga 5 minutes before sa time. Usually, yun naman talaga yung pagpunta ko doon. Mga 1:55 andun ako. Ay, I hope okay lang si Aling Maliit.
Ik kan nog meer foto's hebben van hem.
Dito na yung Aling Maliit natin. Ja,
Kijk eens.
wie is dat?
Weet ik niet.
Oh,
Hier staat een
ik denk bij de Kim.
Ja, hij is bij de Genia.
Ja, dat is een meneer. Pauwi na po tayo. Okay naman po, sabi ng teacher, kinausap ko. Nakipaglaro kaagad siya sa ibang bata. Happy naman siya nung pinick up ko siya. Ay, malaki na talaga yung ano ko, guys. Oh.
Mama,
Yeah?
mag ik tv kijken thuis?
Yeah. After school you can, and then Oma and Opa will also come, I think, to say hi to you. Because Oma and Opa will come back from
Mama,
vacation.
kijk, hier is een kikker.
Oo. I think yung in-laws ko, ano na, diretso yun sa amin. Kasi miss na yun si Ana. Everyday po sila tumatawag. Nasa bakasyon po pala sila. Kung hindi ko man na-mention. 1 week. Pero ngayon yung uwi nila. Ana, auto, Scott. Dali, Scott. We have to get a new school cast, Scott, no? Because we have a lot of shoes and slippers. No? Sige na. Ew, that. So that the lunchbox goes directly to the table.
Ja, maar dan gewoon deze
Okay. Anong giguroy naman? You're dragging it. Sige. I want to see what's inside your bag. Did you drink lots of water today? Because it was very hot, huh?
Ja, maar ik heb niet heel veel water gedronken. Oh, je niet.
Yes, next that. Hoy, tomorrow don't forget the which one you have to hang your bag, huh? Jij bent de muts.
Ik ben een muts.
De muts, je bent de muts. Sige,
Ja,
be,
kijk,
open.
deze, van de hoofd.
Van de hoofd, ja, dat klopt.
Zie je dat? Kijk,
Oh, you didn't drink water lagi.
dat maakt toch niks
Nee,
uit.
Scott, you really have to drink water. Nee. Don't forget to drink water because it's hot. Agoy. What did Mama say? After eating, you have to drink your water. You said niet opgegeten.
Ja, maar ik heb met boterham opgegeten.
Ja, maar was your fruit now?
Die heb ik opgegeten.
You said you didn't eat your fruits. Burrito lagi
Ja,
ka.
maar ik heb met boterham mijn fruit opgegeten.
Sige, you put your bag where you have to put it, be. You put your bag there on your pink desk.
Maar, mag ik pannenkoek eten?
You want pancake? Sige, ramtag pancake. Ano pancake for breakfast? Pancake for snacks?
Nee, ik zijn niets voor breakfast hier thuis.
Yeah, breakfast is ontbijt. Sige, pag-hi lang sa titas, Mina. Hi, titas! Hyper pa man yung anak ko galing sa school. Oy. Happy ako kasi happy siya. So, nag-worry pa ako. Sabi nga ng teacher, oh, banya, becha, ongerust. Sabi niya, ano daw, medyo worried ba daw ako? Di kuya, ik ben becha, ongerust. Naging okay naman. Diba? Ayaw niya pumunta sa school, pero yun talaga. Pag pick up, just like last time, pag pick up ko, wala. Excited pa naman. Pero happy po talaga ako kasi okay naman siya. You want your pancake now? Mag-spend time po muna kami kasi magtatrabaho ang nanay mamaya. Hello! Ayan, nakalimutan ko na po mag 6:30 na dito. Kumain na po kami and then nakita na po namin yung nagkita na sila ng lola niya. Ana! Sa Manila. And ihatid po nila ako doon sa school. May part-time tayo ngayon. So, doon tayo. Tapos silang dalawa trabaho ako. Silang dalawa naman doon sa supermarket. Mabilis lang naman. And hindi na natin pahabaan yung ating pa-video, no? Ana, say bye-bye to them. Bye, titas! See you na naman sa sunod na video. Maraming salamat. Doei, mush babush, Ana.
Papa!
Ja?
Mush babush.
Papa!
Hekkie, bekkie, snackie, hekkie.
Mag ik tijd wachten mee? Jouw school wel?
Oh, say bye. Bye-bye, titas.
Bye bye, tita.
See you next time.
Next time.
Doei, doei.